Hello, beautiful blockchain people. That's me again at CryptoSpine. This is my next cryptocurrency market overview. So let's start. Let's have a look at the price of the major cryptocurrencies according to the beautiful site of CoinGecko. We see that Bitcoin is trading at the moment at the level of $6,640. So it has recorded just a 1.1% decrease for the last 7 days. That's why if we have a look at the charts of the prices of the major cryptocurrencies for the last 7 days, we see that they're moving sideways, so almost no change. That's why it's a kind of, let's say, boring in the market. And today I don't want to analyze in details any price chart. I would like to mention that's why I would like to mention some interesting tweets by prominent cryptocurrency enthusiasts and some articles relating to the cryptocurrency world. So let's start. And of course, I want to say at the very beginning, probably you are well aware of the approaching Bitcoin halving, and this is one of the so-called Bitcoin block reward halving countdowns watches, and we have 41 days and 6 hours approximately to the next Bitcoin halving. And many people expect that this event will have a solid impact on the price of Bitcoin. In my previous analysis and even last year, many times I expressed my point of view on the upcoming Bitcoin halving, but everyone has a different point of view. And what I want to say is that we know that at the moment the central banks and the governments all over the world, because of the global economic uncertainty, are injecting a massive amount of money or liquidity into the global financial system. And we know that the monetary programs or stimulus that the central banks are applying, those kind of programs, most of them are called quantitative easings. And today I have encountered another interesting term that is completely opposite to the so-called monetary quantitative easing by the central banks. Now we have another term, quantitative, not easing, hardening, and this is the Bitcoin halving. This is Adam Beck, creator or inventor of Hashcash. We know that he's one of the most famous persons in the cryptocurrency world. So he said that fiat undergoing lots of politically driven quantitative easing. Bitcoin supply algorithm starts quantitative hardening next month. So he's talking about the upcoming Bitcoin block reward halving. And this is really a very interesting term, quantitative hardening. But by the way, fellas, yes, we will have some quantitative hardening next week, but once again, I don't think that it will impact significantly the price of Bitcoin. But this is just my point of view. And now, when I have already started to mention all those and to talk about all those quantitative easing, quantitative hardenings, and so on, I just want to mention another interview in which Roger Ver, one of the most famous persons in the Bitcoin ecosystem and in the cryptocurrency world as well. Now we know that he's a supporter of Bitcoin Cash. He said in this interview that if printing money could make the world a richer place, why is anybody poor? So he just talked about the central banks and governments doing or conducting this quantitative easing, so injecting liquidity into the global financial system in order to fight economic turbulence and etc. And of course, I just want to say that I absolutely agree with him that just printing money cannot save the global economy. And I just want to say this because nowadays I see many comments of people under different articles, not about crypto related articles, and they say, yes, our government is doing really very well. They decided to inject a lot of money to support the unemployed people, the people that will not work for the last, let's say, 2 or 3 weeks because of the quarantine, and etc. But we have to realize that those money are printed out of thin air, and it will just depreciate, or the money, it will reduce their purchasing power. We cannot save the economy just by printing money and giving money to, even to me, although no one will give me money, but anyway, I mean fiat money. So fellas, those are some articles that I have decided and tweets to mention, because in this current situation, I think that crypto has really a bright future in the long run. Now let's move to some other interesting news, and I saw on the site of news.bitcoin.com the following article. The crypto industry's 400 million cash and stock deal. Binance to acquire CoinMarketCap. So there are already some rumors that the popular crypto exchange Binance is allegedly in talks with the owners of CoinMarketCap in hopes of purchasing the website for 400 million USD. So we see that during the current, let's say, financial turbulence or economic turbulence, we still have these acquisitions when big companies or rich people are acquiring some nice, let's say, companies, services, and etc. Although we have this big economic turbulence, it means that there are still very rich people that can afford themselves to buy such kind of services, sites, and etc. And I'm really very curious what CoinMarketCap will become if Binance acquires their site. And that's why I decided to comment on, to mention an interview on Block TV in which the co-founder of CoinGecko, so this is CoinGecko, Bobby Ong, told about this potential acquisition. With the Binance purchase of CoinMarketCap, there is a need for independent crypto data aggregator, and aggregators and CoinGecko will remain after, if it happens, if Binance acquires CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko will remain the biggest independent cryptocurrency aggregator. And that's why I'm really very happy that I'm wearing the t-shirt of CoinGecko. And I'm really very happy that CoinGecko will remain independent cryptocurrency data aggregator. So that's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching my cryptocurrency market overview. I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you in the next one. It was me at CryptoSpa.